Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drone with 4K camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. ZWN GPS Quadcopter. Brand name, ZWN. 4K GPS drone with camera, HD Wi-Fi adjustable camera. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture to the camera. Multi-point planning flight of the route. The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route, and the player concentrates on shooting. Number 4. ZWN GPS Drone. Brand name, ZWN. GPS one-click back to takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow. The route multi-point planning flight, the aircraft according to the preset route of autonomous flight, the player focused on shooting. Fixed point surround, find the right center point, and then move the desired surround radius through the rocker. 2-axis skim top, self-stabilizing image. HD wide-angle 120-degree adjustable camera, 4K HD camera. 11.1 volt 2500 mAh smart lithium battery, 28 minutes ultra-long battery. Brushless motor, super power, long life. With light flow camera, indoor flight more stable. Number 3. Gulrk RC Drone. Brand name, Gulrk. 4K HD wide-angle camera, 90-degree adjustable steering gear and 4K high-definition wide-angle camera are tuned amazingly to capture stunning sharp and vivid images with expansive backgrounds. Powerful brushless motor. MT2204 brushless motor is designed for Bugs 5 watts, which features metal shell, good cooling performance, advanced inner electromagnetic construction, and working steadily in high speed. Gesture photo video. Take a picture of the camera and take video by posing simple gestures, which achieves great convenience with simple hand motions in photography. Point of interest flight. You could choose a point on the app interface, and the Bugs 5W drone will fly around it. 360 degrees full angles shooting surround helps shoot chic videos easily. Track flight. After setting target, the Bugs 5 watts will automatically recognize objects of different shapes and sizes, then tracks them according to what they are and how fast they move. This makes tracking much easier and more reliable. Number 2. ZWN drone with camera. Brand name, ZWN. 4K HD wide-angle camera. 90-degree adjustable steering and 4K high-definition wide-angle camera have been carefully adjusted to capture vivid images with minimal chromatic aberration and distortion. Gesture photos and videos. Take a photo of the camera with a victory gesture and then shoot the video with a palm gesture, which is very convenient with simple gestures. Tracking targets. After flight, D4 drone will automatically identify objects of different shapes and sizes and then track them according to their shape and speed of movement. This makes tracking easier and more reliable. Point of interest battle. This feature allows you to select a point on the application interface where the D4 drone will fly. 360 degrees full angle surround sound makes it easy to shoot stylish videos. Number 1. Global Funhood Drone. Brand name, Global Funhood. 4K Professional Follow Me RC Drone. The remote control can adjust the camera angle up and down, and the upper and lower can be adjusted continuously by 90 degrees. Wi-Fi 120-degree wide-angle HD, pixel 4K, camera pixel is 3840 by 2160p, real-time transmission is 30 frames second, Wi-Fi map transmission distance is 200 to 400 meters. Wi-Fi camera can use the mobile phone remote control to take pictures. The product adopts foldable design for more convenient storage. The product has both outdoor GPS positioning and indoor optical flow positioning to ensure stable hovering indoors and outdoors. The battery adopts modular design, which is convenient for users to purchase more electricity and fly for a long time.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.